Hey guys, it's Adrienne from Crafty Little Gnome. In the last video, we talked about how to set up an Etsy shop from scratch, and I went over and shared my screen recording of exactly how you set up your shop from the very beginning. So if you missed that video, definitely go back and check it out, because today we are going to move on and I'm just going to show you a quick video of how to get in there and put in your profile picture, add a shop banner, and then also get into the nitty-gritty about where you put in your shop policies and things like that. So before we get started, make sure you leave a comment with your Etsy shop link. Let us know what you sell, and I will do a shout out in the next video. Today's shout out goes to my girl Shannon. Shannon is in Washington. She's a good friend of mine. She has a shop called Stay at Home Mom Design Co. And I love her cute t-shirts and clothing items. She makes them for kids, for moms, for dads, for families. She has lots of cool stuff, so definitely go and check it out. I got my daughter a cute t-shirt for Christmas from her, and my daughter loves it. So yeah, if you want to be featured in a shout out, leave a comment below with your shop name. And if you don't have a shop yet, let us know what you sell, and that'll help me make videos tailored to what your product is. All right, guys, let's get started, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your profile pictures and your banner. This is sort of my little sort of fake shop to show you how I set up my shop. My shop has been open for a very long time, and I just wanted to show you from the beginning, if you haven't set up a shop yet, or if you're not quite sure if you're doing it right, this is how you do it. So let's do a little tour here. So we go edit shop, and let's see. I'm not going to worry so much about the items because we did that in the last video. Make sure you check it out if you missed it. Let's edit my profile. Let's choose a picture. This is me. Maybe it'll show up. Anyway, I am female. I'm going to choose Bellingham, actually, because that is the closest major city. Technically, I live in a place called Everson, and it's a really small town, so I'm not going to worry about that. Let's go with May 2nd. About, let's see, I am a jewelry artist and blogger located in Washington State. This is a good place to talk about what it is that you do and why you do it. So sort of talking a little bit about your target market or your target audience and how you're going to serve them. So I make custom personalized jewelry for women. Favorite materials, you can put anything you want. You can put crystals, wire, beads, and include on your profile. It's good to have all of these, your shop, your favorite items, your favorite shops. You can keep those private if you want, it's no big deal. Hit save changes. Great, and that is all set, and we're going to go to, if you go over here on the bottom left hand side, that is your shop front. We're going to hit edit shop, feature. Okay, I want to put in a picture here. So you can put in your profile picture, you already have it. I'm going to choose something different. I want to choose a shop icon. So I think it's kind of nice to put in one of the products that you have. This shop icon is going to show up in other places, and it just kind of represents you. So if there's like something that you sell, I sell a lot of crystal jewelry, I'm going to put in a crystal. Looks good. And add a shop title. Describe your shop in one sentence. Handmade jewelry for women. If you have keywords that you're trying to target, keywords and all that kind of jazz is a whole other video that I could do, but if you are having things that you want to rank on Google for, like crystal jewelry or boho jewelry, things like that, you can put that in your shop title. In your one sentence here, that's a really good place to put it. That way when Google sort of crawls all the Etsy shops and someone types in Google amethyst boho necklace, your shop is more likely to come up. So just keep that in mind as you're going. Okay, we can add a feature area for highlighted. So if I only have the one item in here right now, but hopefully that you have many items, and you can put in a grid where it just highlights different listings that you have. So you could have none, you could have a standard grid or a mixed grid. Let's do standard. And if you have more, obviously you're going to add the 4 listings that you want to have in there. So right now it would just show one. Let's see. Oh, a banner. Big banner. So you can do a big banner, a mini banner, no banner. You don't have to have a banner. It really just depends. I have one. I like it. And I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to add the image. Crafty Little Gnome custom jewelry with my little gnome logo there. Hit that save button. And you can add videos, you can add photos, you can show your workspace, things like that, add a story headline, personal bio, tell buyers where you're selling in person. This is cool. So if you are selling in a craft fair or a vendor event, you can add it in here. That's really cool. Shop policies. So you want to add your shop policies in there, processing times, all that jazz. That is everything in there, and you can edit. They put these in, they just put these in here as a default, and you can definitely go in there and edit it and change it if you want to. You want to make sure that definitely read this and make sure that everything there is accurate with how you want it to be. And this is really important. Customs and import taxes. Buyers are responsible for any customs or import taxes that may apply. I am not responsible for delays due to customs. This is really big if you ship overseas. I ship a lot to the UK, and it can take forever. I think it goes on a boat or something to get out there from North America. So just be aware of that. All right, this video is nice and short. Just going over how you do all of your shop banner and your profile pics. All right, guys, we will see you next time for the next video.